Alright, I want to show you this twisted yarn puzzle from Parachute Puzzles. It's a 1,000 piece puzzle. It's really a fun puzzle. This one is not overly challenging. Each puzzle comes with an additional sorting tray, which is kind of fun. You can start collecting them. Has a nice big glossy poster that's about quarter size. And then, as you can see with this one, the rainbow colors. You can start with red, orange, yellow, green. You can kind of sort it, so it makes it really kind of a fun puzzle to put together. And what we found out is people love knitting puzzles, so had pretty good success with this one. All the pieces are nice cardboard interlocking pieces, nice thick, good quality cut on them. The way it's manufactured, the pieces are blown into the bag, and so it eliminates most of the puzzle dust. You can see then the pieces themselves come in a poly bag. So high quality puzzle. We really love it. Here at Parachute Puzzles we've got 10 different designs, so if you look us up, we've got yarn puzzles, donut puzzles, fruit puzzles, some really challenging nuts and bolts, marbles puzzles, beach puzzles, seashell puzzles, things like that.